My family and I traveled from California to Ohio to purchase my childhood home. Join us on our family adventures as we renovate this 1960s bungalow into our family home. In the previous videos, I created and framed out our master bathroom. I framed out the niche for our shower and a wall to separate our shower from our toilet area. And I created an additional wall for our double vanity. So in today's video, we are going about doing a lot of different things. I'm not even gonna lie, it's a lot about to happen, okay? So get ready. What I'm doing right now, I am going to be pouring some more self-leveling cement onto this floor because some way, somehow, I don't understand, I don't get it, but it's still not level. It's still not up to par. So I am going to pour some more self-leveling cement, and before I start pouring, using 2x4s to create a barrier to prevent the self-leveling cement from going past areas that I don't want it to go, specifically the drain area where the linear drain is going to be, and then also there was an area in the toilet area that you saw. Before you start pouring your cement, you need to make sure that you prime the floor and prep the floor before. This is a primer that allows the cement to adhere to the current concrete that you have, so it's not going to move or shift or anything like that. Make sure you have a roller that you can roll it in pretty finely, and it will get into the areas that you need to get to. Finally, we made it to the part of creating the self-leveling cement. So the proper way to go about doing this, to make sure you are putting the self-leveling cement powder in, and also having some dirty water. You got to make sure you have that dirty water available so you can mix it in. Mix it in with your self-leveling cement. Obviously, I'm lying, y'all. I'm just playing. But seriously, though, make sure that the consistency of the self-leveling cement is like pretty watery so it can actually do what it's actually made to do. One of the things I would definitely suggest is to make sure you get enough self-leveling cement so you don't have to do it in 2 batches like I had to do. So this is the next day. I had to pour the second half of the self-leveling cement, and it worked out pretty well, but I would definitely try to do it all in one day. And I'm using this little trowel to feather out the edges because, you know, sometimes the self-leveling cement doesn't do that part. All right, y'all, I am officially done with the floor. At least, you know, concrete leveling. Let's take a look. Oh my God, look at that block. Look at that block. Flop. Flop, 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 flop. Okay, all right, that was a little bit too much, y'all. Let me show y'all a real view of it. So this is the floor. I'm inside the shower area. So let's just get into this boy. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I've never done a shower in my life, especially on a concrete slab. This is the first time, and there was a lot of research that had to go along with this process. And one of the things is that I had to make sure that my drain was low enough so that it wasn't going to be the same height or too high for my curb. So I had to make sure that I cut into this concrete to make sure that my linear drain was going to be a little bit lower than what my curb is going to be. I don't want a super big curb, so that's why I did what I did. All right, guys, so here is the dugout part of the drain. I'm trying to get down. So this is the linear drain, and then this is the connector piece that's going to connect to this pipe, and then it's going to connect to the actual drain. So yeah, so I got to cut this, just cut it little by little, kind of go from there. This was dug out pretty much by hand. Didn't need a jackhammer, so thank God. So this thing, this is a tile remover. So I use this to remove tile in one of my other videos. Yeah, this is also good to remove some concrete too if you need to get some. It's only 10 bucks, just a little bit of labor. All right, cool, let's just keep on going. Finally, when you make it to the step of connecting your drain to your PVC, you have to use ABS glue and PVC glue so you can connect the two together. So the ABS is the black and the PVC is the white. So you want to make sure that you're connecting the white and the black with the proper glue. This is the drain situation. Y'all saw that I filled it up with cement so I can kind of cover that hole. So I threw the rocks in first, then I filled it up with cement. And then I put this drain on to try to get it level. And we pretty much there, y'all. We pretty much there. All right, so on to the next thing. So I actually had to cut into the concrete a little bit more. The linear drain has a dip. I didn't even think about it, but it has a dip inside the drain to allow the water to flow to the center of the drain. And that's what we're accounting for. We're cutting that probably about a half an inch out of concrete so the linear drain can fit into this area a little bit smoother. And once that's done, now it's on to finishing the framing of this shower. To complete the framing of the shower, I need to create a knee wall. A knee wall is a 4-foot half wall that separates your shower from your vanity or the rest of the bathroom area. So that's what I'm creating right now. Guys, so this is the half wall pony wall situation for the shower. Let's walk in real quick. Ooh, it's 33 and a half. Sheesh, it's 2 feet. Wow. 2 feet of sitting in this boy. Ah! And then it falls down. Clearly it's not screwed down, so that'd be the next step, but I got to get the approval from the wife first. The wife got to give me the approval before I screw it down because I don't want to screw it up. So, yeah, let's see what the wife says. Obviously, I got the approval from my wife. You know, happy wife, happy life. That's exactly the motto I don't live by. And now I'm just playing. No, I kind of don't. It's a mixture. I don't know. It's kind of selfish. We ain't going to get into it. We should. Let's get into it now. Happy wife, happy life. No, that's selfish. That's only one side of the equation. Happy spouse, happy husband, happy life, happy wife, happy life. How about happy married couple, happy life? Yeah, let's do that. That makes more sense. And back to this knee wall. So when you are creating your knee wall, make sure that you are measuring twice and cutting once, measuring 15 times and cutting once, because I sometimes measure once and cut once and I screw myself up. I'm adding some more blocking for some more structural support, and I think it's helpful, but actually I really didn't need it. Because when you add your Durock or your cement board, it will give the structural integrity that you need for your knee wall. Alright guys, just finish up the half wall situation, shower, half wall, pony wall, knee wall that's not fully a full wall. It's just half of it. So just finish it up and also finish up the curb too. Just framing out everything. Half wall is done. Obviously, you guys see I put some more structure down there, so it's not going to be bending this way or that way. So I put 2 pieces down there, and then put 2 pieces up here as well, so it doesn't bend or anything. And then go all the way down. I actually did not make it go all the way down to the floor. So as you see, there's a plate that goes all the way across, and then there's the 2 pieces that start the process of holding everything together. And then there's the top plate, not the top plate, but one of the studs that I put. And then I put the this plate. It makes sense, okay? It makes sense. Okay, to make it sturdy. That's what I was trying to do, okay? Dang, I'm trying to explain to y'all what I'm trying to do and fumbling over my words and everything, okay? But what I'm trying to do and what I'm trying to say is this is a sturdy wall. But then we got the curb. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, guys, that is the framing of the shower. Oh, let me show you this last thing. So the last thing, I had to reframe this situation because we're doing the shower. This is going to be handle. It's going to be 4 handles going down this way. Then they're all going to be connecting to different things. So they're going to be connecting to the handheld shower, so you can handheld shower yourself, you know. And then it's going to be connected to the faucet that's up here. So it's going to be shooting right at camera, right at you. So you're going to be in a regular shower, like a regular shower. And then you're going to turn the other faucet, and then it's going to be like bam, rain shower, rain shower. So yeah, that's what's going to be happening. That's going to be happening in the next videos. And yeah, guess who's here? It's my daughter, Susan. Guess who decided to join in on the festivities? Zazu. Zazu. Oh no, don't try to get the camera. Don't try to get the camera, girl. Oh, you hit yourself in the face. You okay? You okay, Zazu? Oh, thank you. No, thank you. Oh, thank you. What? Oh, girl, who you talking to like that? I just said thank you. Sure. Oh, you snatching now? Is that what we doing? Is that what we doing? We snatching? You can have it back. Alright, so I'll see you later. Alright, I'll see you. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.